We are an e-commerce site created to allow users to order prepacked fresh ingredient services. We hope people can enjoy the gathering at home with their family, rebuild the interaction through cooking, and share the joy together. We believe with the prepacked service, people can experience the easiest way to cook. That's what Mealkit aims for.
In our landing page, you can view the highlight and the quality of our service. The recommended dishes will be shown when pressing the Get Started button. And you can also view our selection through the Pricing tab.
Users of the webpage can either be an administrator or a customer. An administrator has the right to create products. By filling in all the fields one by one, owner of the shop can create new dishes for customers easily. As the customer register, we will ask for the customer's preference and allergies to suggest the recipe that suits the customer the most. Here is a demo of the checkout process.
Providing a live chat box allows us to answer customer inquiry directly. This is connected to our Telegram account.
Thank you for your time.